All right, so quick recap here on the Meshroom test here for this project we are working on, where we have this big tree. You can see here on the left this giant oak tree. It's a beautiful tree, but it's going to be part of a project that we're working on. It's going to be integral to the design, and we need to kind of know some proper measurements of it. Not only how it will interact with the building and the architecture we're going to design over here, but also for particular lighting packages and whatnot that we can utilize that tree for many parts of the design. So anyway, did a test of the day with a tree in my front yard, and then kind of took it full scale with this one. I took about almost 400 photographs of this tree from all different angles, and brought them into Meshroom. And that was Wednesday night or Wednesday afternoon. Actually, I started it, and then overnight it kept on going. And turns out it just failed for some reason. So I spent yesterday troubleshooting and trying to figure out what happened. I'm not exactly sure. I tried a couple different settings that I looked at online. I did notice that within those settings, a lot more of these photos that I took didn't get processed for some reason. And it appears, I don't know exactly why, but regardless, it ended up working in general. So here's the point cloud over here on the right, um, and then you can actually see over here. These are the camera positions that I took all around the tree, kind of in a spiral from straight on, different angles, up and down, and whatnot. So after several hours of computing, um, the point cloud mesh turned into this, which is pretty interesting. And as we get in here, check this out. Boom, we have the tree. Let's see if I can just get a kind of a good comparison image over here on the left. Here, sure, why not? Any one of these guys. Maybe you're further away. All right, so here we have the tree, the photograph, and here is the model of the tree. So genuinely pretty pleased with this. For we can definitely use this to the main branch structure and trunk structure, all that is pretty solid texture wise and everything. Of course, once we get up to the top, we probably gonna have to supplement with a tree modeling software or maybe just kind of Frankenstein an existing 3D model of an oak tree that we have. Not exactly sure how we'll pull off the Spanish moss and whatnot, but anyway, for a pretty good, for in essence a first test. This worked out pretty well. This again was just about 300 and change photos from my cell phone camera. I even took a little bit of a video in case I might need to supplement some imagery with it. But by all means, this actually worked out quite well. Took a little bit of time of computing power, but overall, as you can see, it was worth the effort because we have a pretty solid tree here that we're going to definitely be able to use in our visualizations and in our design process. So, all right, talk to you soon.